Hey everybody, Frank Sullivan, Mad Scientist here. I got a very interesting one for you, and if anybody wonders why I call myself the Mad Scientist, that's why I'm out here, outside. I want to do this experiment out here because this may blow up. I got my fire extinguisher ready to go. Okay, what I got here is several things I'm going to be doing. First of all, as you can see, I got the exhaust going through this stainless steel container, which I'm going to use for heating up the gas and running it off of heated vapor. I have mesh all through it, and I have two screens, stainless steel, inserted for safety. After I get this started up and tested, what I'm going to do is also I'm going to add, I have a little 12 volt plug right here for my generator with two connectors. I'm going to use a HHO system, and I'm going to add to it. I'm also going to, in the near future, add right here a little water vapor system. That way I get in there and I'm going to be able to test and see the difference in temperature as I do this, so everybody will know what the facts are. So here's for it. This is going to be interesting, so I got to set this up, and see you soon. Okay everybody, phase one. I just started it up. I'm going to crank it up and show you how this works. It really works good. I got my laser temperature gauge. I'll be giving a blow by blow as it drives. I had to stop this one up because I'm pulling too much air going through here in order for this to really pull vapor. So when I stopped it up, it worked pretty good. So also, it's going to get real loud, so it's running really high rich, as most vapor systems do. I can adjust it with this a little bit. It's an automatic adjuster. For some reason it's not quite moving what it needs, but here we go. Let me grab this and make sure this is on. Yep. Okay. Oop. Wow, that went out. I have to check something. Okay, back again. It's weird, I have to adjust this air intake and then cap it off. So we'll see what happens. Okay, that's phase one. It works with the vapor, and you saw the temperatures. Temperatures remained roughly 100 to 140 degrees approximately, which is perfectly safe for gasoline. It just vaporizes it. So my next deal will be putting on the HHO system and a water introduction system to see what the temperature differences are. And by the way, in order to see what vapor ran, it ran pretty close to the same as normal gasoline ran. This was running far, far faster and harder, as you could tell. So whenever I slowed it down, the temperature actually would reduce a little bit. So I'm going to say that it's probably about the same. Out the tailpipe, it's roughly 100 degrees with vapor and or gasoline. Okay, phase 2. I got a little HHO dry cell bubbler and so forth. So it's plugged on in, and I'm going to crank this up. Although I have to adjust this, I put on a little valve there. That way I can control it a little better. I might be able to get a slower burn, and we'll go from there. Alright, here it goes. Might have to adjust this just a little closer. Okay. Get it started first, and then we'll go from there. Okay, got it running. But the trick was I had to kind of adjust something. I had to use both my hands. There's the HHO system going. Okay, another little interesting thing I just noticed, I'm not sure if this will show up. You can see it boiling down there. The gas is actually boiling, or bubbling actually. So it's off, it's just the heat of the normal, you know, from the sun and the exhaust. I hope that shows up on tape. There it is, I think. So it's actually creating vapor as we speak. I had to adjust this, I'm not sure if the video showed it, just to get enough air to slow this thing down, because it was running way off the charts too fast. So I was introducing more air and less fuel, which gives it more economy, and this is a great test. So far it works really good, and safety features are abound on this. I really thought I might blow up, that's why I brought it outside. But we're good. Even the HHO system worked well and jumped in there. So that's just added economy onto it. Whatever miles per gallon I get on this just enhances it more and makes it burn cleaner. I like this setup. So far so good.